We've got crude oil continuing to retrace its previous advance with a new retracement low of, at the time of this video, 75.42. But first, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNS, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find the link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire, taking a look at the daily chart for crude oil. And you can see that we had a test of the 78.6% retracement with today's low of 75.42. The 78.6 is 75.30. So the correction may be over, or there may be more testing of downside price levels. Given how it looks like it's going to close in the lower half of the day's range, it looks like crude may still test the 78.6 again, or maybe this uptrend line, or the 88.6% retracement of 74.10. Remains to be seen which. The bigger picture here is that crude is in a large symmetrical triangle, and it continued to evolve the triangle as of this current decline. So one thing that is important is the apex of the triangle is over here. In other words, we're getting much closer to the apex. That means we're getting much closer to a likely breakout, either through the top line or through the bottom line. And there's interim lines that give earlier signals as well, as you can see. So that is, and now there is reason to believe that it's going to break out to the upside. Let me just talk about the monthly, which is discussed in today's article a little more detail. If we zoom into the monthly, you can see here the triangle, symmetrical triangle a bit better, but this orange line is a 200-month moving average, which was hit here, here, relatively specifically, and then here again, and then also last month, which is important because we got a big rally off that 200 moving average. Also, 200-month moving average. Also, what happened is the orange 50-month moving average last month it crossed above the 200. This is a bullish signal. And if you go back on my chart, it doesn't go back far enough. We only have, I think, 2003 on this chart, which means the 200-month moving average starts back up here in 2019. But nevertheless, this is a bullish indication, and we had a bullish breakout earlier this month on the monthly time frame. So this is likely, if the monthly is going to follow through, as it might, this is a pullback before a continuation that breaks out above last month's high and then follows through to break out of this symmetrical triangle. That is the possibility, anyway, that we're looking at right now in crude. Okay, that is it for crude traders. Have a great week.